Good morning student. Today we are going to perform experiment to find out unknown resistance using meter bridge. So in this circuit we need resistance box, battery, galvanometer, unknown resistance, screw gauge, connecting wires, and this is meter bridge, and here one important component, that is jockey. See, we have to connect battery, positive side of battery, to the one end of meter bridge. So according to circuit diagram, I am going to connect this positive side of battery to this side of meter bridge, and negative side of battery to this side of meter bridge, and we have to connect this resistance box to this terminal of meter bridge. Next connection is we have to connect this unknown resistance which we have to measure to this side of meter bridge. Positive for red is for positive and black is for negative. See, our almost circuit diagram is completed. We left with this galvanometer and jockey connection. So we have to connect positive side of galvanometer to the jockey and negative side to the meter bridge. And how we can check our connections are right or not? If you put galvanometer to this side, then galvanometer show deflection to opposite side. If you put jockey to this side, galvanometer show deflection to negative side. So hence we can say that our connections are right and we can now start experiment. Okay. So I am going to start our connection. So firstly I want to show you how this galvanometer show deflection. See, I place it on this side, it show deflection on positive side of galvanometer. So now I place jockey to this side and it show deflection to the negative side of the galvanometer. So that is very important to check this experiment or this connection are right or not. If let's suppose I place my meter bridge to this side and galvanometer show also deflection to the negative side, in that case we must have to check our connection, because in that case connection are not correct. So similarly with that case, if I place galvanometer to the jockey to this side, then galvanometer show deflection to positive side, then again we have to check connection. So I am going to start experiment. We have to choose volt, 2 volt only, and now I am going to randomly choose my resistance. जोन से कि आप निकालोगे यहाँ से, that is our required resistance. So in that particular case I chose 20 ohm, that is my required resistance. So I am going to on circuit, I am showing you how you can check the null point on this galvanometer. See, galvanometer is showing deflection, that means it must have current. I have to find out point where galvanometer show null deflection, means there is a balance point in that particular bridge. So I have to find that particular length in which galvanometer show negative deflection. See, it is coming towards 0. See, in that particular case we have 94.6 something are null point. In that particular case there is null point, means although there is current in the circuit but still it is showing 0 current in the circuit. So we consider 0 and up to 94.6 is my L, and 100 minus this point is my rest remaining length of the unknown resistance formula. So second part of this experiment is this screw gauge. I know you are aware of this experiment. In this we have two scales. One is linear scale. This is my linear scale and this is my circular scale, and it has least count of 0.001 centimeter. Firstly you have to see कि जो लीनियर स्केल है उसके ऊपर कितनी डिविजन्स आ रही हैं. दैट इज़ माई लीनियर स्केल डिवीजन. प्लस यू हैव टू चेक रेफरेंस लाइन से सर्कुलर स्केल की कौन सी डिवीजन मैच कर रही है. जो डिवीजन मैच करेगी उसे आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है लीस्ट काउंट के साथ, और टोटल रीडिंग लिखोगे लीनियर स्केल रीडिंग प्लस जो सर्कुलर स्केल रीडिंग है उसे लीस्ट काउंट से मल्टीप्लाई करके. सो आई हैव टू चेक स्पेसिफिक रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ दिस रेजिस्टेंस. So now we have to find out diameter of this thin wire using this screw gauge. So place this wire in between this screw gauge. See, now I have to check linear scale division, then best coinciding line with circular scale. That is my linear scale it is 0 and in circular scale division it is 83. So I have to write it down 0 plus 83 multiply by least count which is 0.01. तो इससे आपको इसका डायमीटर मिल जाएगा. You have to take reading approx 6 times so that you can find out mean of diameter. Rest is you have to need the length of this particular wire. So you can use this normal scale to find out length of this wire. See, I am going to place this scale over this. So this is my 14.8 centimeter, then 19.5 centimeter, 19 centimeter and 20 centimeter, 18.5, 19 centimeter and 15 centimeter. You have to total these all numbers and find out the length capital L of this wire to so that you can find specific resistance of this particular experiment. And our formula is for that x rho is equals to x pi. X is unknown resistance which we already have find out. Pi is 3.14 and D is diameter of this particular wire, and L is length of this wire. You have to put all these values here. So here is standard value for this particular experiment. Material used in this resistance is nichrome, which has specific resistance is 100 into 10 raised to power 8 ohm meter. So you can convert into ohm centimeter because you need it in ohm centimeter. So according to this formula you have now x pi d and 4L. Now you have to just find out percentage error. You have to put it here 100 into 10 raised to power minus 8 ohm meter and minus observed value so that you can check its percentage error. That's it. Thank you.